Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add credits to Lovable AI. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Lovable AI and then sign into your account and then go to your profile icon here and then go to settings, then go to plans and credits. Now you can see credits remaining for your current plan, and then you can see the Pro, Business and Enterprise plan. And now you can upgrade to any plan. As you can see, 100 credits per month, 100 monthly credits, 5 daily credits up to 150 per month. And you can change this, of course, to 200 credits per month, 400, and the price, of course, will be changing as well in all the plans here. You can review all what the plans gives each plan, and then you can choose the appropriate plan for you, and then you can just hit upgrade and then add your payment method and pay for the upgrade, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.